की खूब और कब्बाते से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kini keski sakan mau ke bakrau bat ke bakerpang. Ya kini keslam pulih hakajeng kenjo jongka. Show mau meru bakendai po minta kesni. Karpusan trik unai tung arajar arpusan. Lapli kejeng rakhi jaga jingnab kendai po Snem. Kablatip komba granite Jubilee jongka niga college daga jirai theme song. Bagi Jingkren Pynphriang ngobhari principal in charge Dr. A.M. Pynphriang. Ladan di kispangut ginang kai kumju ginang tre. Bat rugi khun samla. Kibla jam shakmat hakajing jongki nakani ke jaka pule kibla wanra kan nam ka buram ya ke jelahi berokwe. Dan kiba omdan syuru hakani ke slaper thai henry ke kerteng jongki ke dangsa hakanam lingbau mau sawa jongkapor. Nalokiwe lapin ku buram ru iki principal kino hikai kibla shong that ni kam jongki ki khenna pule ki department ki council bagi tanat bapher jongani ke college. Nalokiwe ki program lapin shongkun shongsbai ya kan gesngi kum kadak jong rakhi lord ru yau ki ban sakin mau haki shalentem jongkapor. Lakirku ya kan gesngi kerpang du MLA ka South Shillong constituency ba san bo shulai kum kongsan ringkat buru president jo governing body ubabu W collab.
A historic day, and God has been so kind and faithful to our college. 90 years of glory and grit, and we are here today to honor the past, to celebrate the present, and inspire the future. It is truly an honor and a privilege for me to stand before this distinguished gathering to celebrate a joyous and a momentous occasion, the 90th College Foundation Day of our beloved college. This vibrant and colorful spectacle of audience which includes a special guest, invitees, old friends, colleagues, and our students, seems like a family reunion. A reunion of the Lady Keane College fraternity. And we are here to catch up with the good old days, and this college is one unifying force. It is such a nostalgic feeling seeing all of you here gathered today, and we definitely feel so fortunate to be a part of this legacy.
here because just few weeks ago, Honorable Principal, Mrs. Pynphriang, Vice Principal, and other teachers of the college, they came to my residence and even to my office, if I'm not mistaken, to request me as the local MLA to take up the issues concerning the interest of the college for the for the college building expansion, financial assistance. Probably, I'm to bring to you kind information that I had discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangmaji, and maybe by next week, because he is busy, by next week he will give me the appointment where we will go along to meet him and to present him the DPR, which the college has submitted to me personally. It is indeed a great honor to be part of the 90th Foundation Day of the most prestigious college of Shillong, the Keane College, which is itself a brand and has given us several highly successful graduates who now represent Meghalaya across various fields all over the world. I feel extremely proud to say that the college is located in my constituency, and I take this opportunity to ensure that the college gets grant in aid from central or state government for its upliftment and also for various other infrastructure development. In this regard, I shall lead a delegation from college to meet the Honorable Chief Minister so that we can ensure significant and meaningful help from the state government. With these few words, I would like also to share with you, in brief, that whenever I travel outside my state, I used to have opportunity, ample time to read the teaching of the holy books. I have small holy books where I used to read when I'm traveling in the flight. I used to have 2-3 hours time. And if you read the teaching of the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, the Granth Sahib, the Tripartik, or the Kot Kentang Gabakut, it teaches the same thing. All living thing in this earth, be it human being, animal, insects, all the Holy Book teaches that all living thing in this earth are being created by only one soul of God. So if you go as per the teaching of the Constitution of India or my party, the BJP, we should love and respect secularism, not communalism. So we are taught by our forefathers, as a person who was born and brought up in Laban, a cosmopolitan locality established by the then British government. It teaches us that we may belong to various faith and religion, caste, creed and religion, but we are taught to live like our own brother and sister. Because if you compile or compare the blood of all communities, it is the same. That is the teaching of the Holy Books. So when I was watching the felicitation to the former teachers, those who have retired and those who are still in service, I remember my past time also when I was a student of the Laban Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. And I share with Bakalep also that till today I'm having 5 more teachers who are still alive. So the teachers, students listen carefully. Teachers is like a candle it consumes itself to light the way for others. That is the teacher. And students, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. This is a message to the teachers and to the students. So with these few words, the remaining part of our life, let us pray for each other. So once again, I would like to bring it to the information of the House that by next week, we will be meeting the Chief Minister and will apprise him regarding the requirement of the college. And I, along with the people of my constituency, we are always at your service. Jubilee, thank you, Medhela and Jai.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra